This is the BASF System 3. It's a professional application tool developed exclusively for BASF aerosols. The System 3 was designed to be as simple to use as it is effective. That simplicity begins with assembling the unit. Let's start by attaching the aerosol can. Remove the actuator on the can and discard. Do not reuse actuators that have already been placed on either the can or the System 3 spray stems. Press the squeeze clamp together to insert the flange portion into the top of a compatible BASF product can, forming a solid seal. The squeeze clamp should rotate freely without falling off. Spin the clamp to make sure. To attach the System 3 to the can and clamp, first make sure the shutoff valve is in the off position. Place the can on a sturdy, level surface and attach the brass double ring can adapter into the squeeze clamp. Make sure the threads are aligned. Hold the clamp in one hand and the System 3 can adapter fitting in the other. Now rotate the squeeze clamp into a counterclockwise direction to attach. You'll feel the assembly tighten. Twist it just a bit further to make sure the connection is snug. With the System 3 shut off, place a black actuator cap onto the top of the gun clip. Press the cap down firmly and attach an injector straw through the round hole in the actuator cap. Keep pushing the straw till you feel resistance. Now you and the System 3 are ready to get to work. With residential or commercial accounts, interior or exterior, the BASF System 3 makes you better than ever at what you do.
BASF. We create chemistry.